Okay, guys, so now we have seen the entire step by step lead nurturing process, right? Now, it is very, very important that while we are following this process, it is extremely important for us to update every single activity that we do in each and every day that we talked about in the entire process. Okay, let me discuss with you why why is it important to update and keep track of leads. Okay, why do I think this is extremely important? First, it will help you identify open and or closed leads, right? By open leads I mean leads on which you want to work. By closed leads, which I mean the leads on which you don't want to work at all, right? So you can create a status lead status column and put open, one, closed as statuses, right? So if someone you're talking to on LinkedIn says, okay, that I don't want to talk to you further, uh, we are not a relevant match, let's not discuss further, then you can close that particular lead, right, on your sheet. It's very, very important. Okay, second, you can view and understand the sales funnel quickly. This is extremely important point. Now, the funnel of your any entire sales would look like there's a lead, then you'll qualify the lead, then after you have qualified the lead, there could be a lead a status of, let's say, prospect, there could be a status of negotiation, proposal, and then finally order, right? So what you can do is, as you're working on the lead, you can keep tagging your lead under a sales funnel, right, under this any one of these particular statuses. When you do that, it is important and it is easy for you to understand what is happening with what lead, right? And when you want to work, let's say, on specific lead funnel, let's say you want to work on all the leads which are under prospect stage, right? Just select prospect, all the leads will appear, and then you work accordingly. So whenever you create your own CRM on spreadsheet, or if you already have an existing CRM, please make sure you have this kind of statuses there. Okay, so that you can manage and see your funnel visualization very easily. You would know what steps are to be taken on the leads, right? So this will enable you to know what steps are the next step that you should do on the leads, and you know when to take the next step. This is extremely, extremely important point. You know when you should take the next steps, because as I said, right, you have reached out to someone on day one, correct? Then you have to reach out to someone on day 8, right? So what you can do is, if you have reached out to 30 people on day one you can keep a column called next follow up date, right? And put the date there as plus 8 days. Okay, similarly, if the next day you are doing some other follow ups, again put the date as next plus 8 days. Now when you do that, keep that track, it is helping you know, right, when is the next step that you should take, correct? So let's say it's been, let's say, 1 month since you're doing this process, and at the end of the month, next month starting, you just go into a sheet, just put a filter on today's date, and it will show you entire thing that you need to do on different leads, right, for today. So that is how it will help you keep yourself updated. And that helps you work and update leads in bulk, right? So if you do update the leads quickly and consistently, what happens is, and if you're doing it on spreadsheet, you can update everything in bulk. Okay, and you can manage thousands of leads with ease just by timely updating of leads. Yes, this is only and only possible, correct, if you are updating the leads timely. And thousand, we do over 10,000 leads, right? We manage over that, and it's very easy for us because we do timely updation of that. Okay, you get a glimpse of the outcome of the entire lead sheet. Exactly, that's what you can do, right? Whatever is happening with different leads, you can create different funnels, flow chart based on that, and easily can identify what is happening with the entire lead flow of your organization, correct? Very important, extremely important. Because of all this, you have get the ability to take quick decisions and move leads from one funnel stage to the other funnel stage, right? Therefore, hence enabling you, because you're taking quick actions, to get more demos, and therefore you will move to sales faster. Okay, please remember, therefore it's extremely, extremely important that you keep updating every single activity that you do on the leads. Okay, so therefore, after this process, we should do a lead updation for every single activity. So this will be lead updation. So this, both of this goes hand in hand, guys. Okay,